Here we are for our interior tour of the property on Moonlight Trail. We're still in the process of renovating this. It's an updated video. We enter into a large formal living room or den. Got a central hallway, large dining room with hardwood floors. Kitchen is directly off the dining room. Again, nice hardwood floors, large breakfast area or informal eating space. We've got the kitchen. New appliances will be installed prior to occupancy. Plenty of cabinet space, upper and lower cabinets. Going back into the dining room, foyer area, living room again. Down this hall we've got a very spacious laundry room. And a large master bedroom. The house will be getting new carpet. About all we need to do here. Got a big walk-in closet for the master. Stepping over to the master bath, we have a double sink vanity. Jacuzzi, garden tub. Linen closet right here. And a full shower. Final look at the master. Another coat closet. And we have a first floor half bath, tile floor. Nice pedestal sink. And we'll go upstairs to take a look at the bedrooms. Nice sized bedroom here. New blinds, new paint, fresh carpet. Another very good sized bedroom. Got a full bath for the two bedrooms, joining the bedrooms. Now we'll take a quick look downstairs at the basement. Just off the garage in this hallway, we've got a finished room. Plenty of space with a closet. This could be used as a fifth bedroom. Over here we have some unfinished space. Can be used as storage. Can't really see much here. Got a nice, large two-car garage. Got a light switch somewhere? Don't see it. A nice big two-car garage. An additional room here that's been roughly finished. Very nice big space. And a little bit more storage space here. And that's our interior tour.